Lakme Fashion Week 2026 just turned into a full-blown style spectacle, but this time it wasn't just about fashion, it was about Bollywood's biggest faces stepping in as showstoppers and completely owning the runway. From bold couture to modern power dressing, from dreamy lehengas to edgy experimental fits, Ananya Panday, Disha Patani, Tamannaah Bhatia, Khushi Kapoor, Nimrat Kaur, Shivani Kapor, and Malavika Mohan each brought a completely different vibe and made a statement. And trust us, this wasn't just a fashion show, it was a moment. Let's start with the one that truly grabbed all the attention. Ananya Panday turned showstopper for Rahul Mishra, and she didn't just walk the ramp, she owned it. Dressed in a crisp white shirt paired with a structured skirt and blazer, her look was all about modern power dressing with a high fashion edge, and social media couldn't stop talking about it. One user wrote, "She looks like an international model." Another said, "Ananya walks like she owns Paris Fashion Week." Next up, Disha Patani brought the heat with a bold, sultry twist. Wearing Amit Agarwal's all-black lehenga, Disha redefined traditional wear with a cutout blouse, plunging neckline, and structured silhouette. Paired with a layered diamond necklace and messy updo, this look was all about high glam meets couture. Then came Tamannaah Bhatia, serving pure, festive perfection. Dressed in a bright red lehenga by Bhumika Sharma, her look balanced playfulness with elegance. The halter-neck blouse, corseted bodice, and flowing skirt created a silhouette that felt both modern and bridal. Styled with emerald jewelry and soft glam, this is already a wedding season favorite. Khushi Kapor, on the other hand, brought a softer, dreamy aesthetic. Walking for Aisha Rao, she wore a brown-toned lehenga with intricate floral embroidery that looks like a garden in full bloom. With dewy makeup and soft waves, her look was all about effortless charm and quiet luxury. And then came Nimrat Kaur, adding a strong, high-fashion edge to the runway. In an asymmetrical, heavily embroidered outfit with a one-shoulder corseted bodice and a high-slit wrap skirt, Nimrat's look stood out for its avant-garde appeal. The muted tones and intricate detailing gave it a regal yet edgy finish. This wasn't just a look, this was runway art. Shivani Kapor brought in the perfect mix of tradition and modern glam. Walking for Retika Mirchandani, she stunned in a pre-draped charcoal sari with geometric beadwork that created a shimmering, almost liquid effect. Paired with a corset-style bralette blouse, her look was all about sensuality with sophistication, a perfect example of how Indian wear is evolving. And finally, Malavika Mohan completely flipped the narrative. Walking for Anurag Gupta, she wore a structured white outfit layered with a cropped jacket and bold black tie. With edgy boots and sharp tailoring, this look gave strong androgynous power dressing energy. Bold, experimental, unapologetic. From Ananya's power-packed runway moment to Disha's bold glam, from Tamannaah's festive elegance to Khushi's dreamy softness, and from Nimrat's avant-garde edge to Shania's modern sensuality and Malavika's experimental power look, Lakme Fashion Week 2026 proved one thing. Fashion today is not just about clothes, it's about presence, personality, and storytelling. So tell us, which showstopper truly stole the spotlight for you? Let us know in the comments below.